There's no point in exporting if you don't get paid for your products. And to get paid, you need to choose the right payment method in order to minimize risk while also accommodating the needs of your buyer. I'm Kari Crane, editor of Shipping Solutions International Trade Blog Passages. In this video, I'll explain how to use consignment. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our basics of exporting videos, sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. There are 5 primary methods of payment in international trade. Some are more secure for the exporter, others for the importer. The key is finding the right balance. Today, let's consider consignment. When using consignment, the exporter sends the goods on a sell now, pay later basis. You partner with a foreign distributor who receives, manages, and sells your products. They only pay for the items they can actually sell. This approach might sound risky, and it can be, but there are some potential benefits to consider. Boosting competitiveness. Imagine your ideal customer needs your product fast. By storing inventory near them through consignment, you can offer quicker delivery times compared to competitors who have to ship from overseas. Reduced costs. Warehousing and managing inventory overseas can be expensive. With consignment, the foreign distributor handles those tasks, freeing up your resources and potentially lowering your overall costs. This can allow you to offer more competitive pricing in the local market. One important note: while consignment offers advantages, it's crucial to choose a reputable and trustworthy foreign distributor. Since they hold your inventory, finding a reliable partner is key. If you're ready to export on consignment, the first step is to find a reputable foreign distributor or third-party logistics partner, also known as a 3PL, who is based in the market you're hoping to enter. Also make sure the importing country is commercially and politically secure. The next step is to ensure that you have financing and credit and insurance in place to cover consigned goods against loss, damage, or non-payment. These trade financing techniques could be helpful. Export working capital financing. This provides exporters with a loan or line of credit, often secured by assets or receivables. It helps ensure access to working capital while waiting for payment. Government guaranteed export working capital programs. These programs, offered by the U.S. Small Business Administration and the U.S. Export-Import Bank, can make it easier for exporters to obtain financing from commercial lenders. They guarantee export working capital facilities, increasing borrowing capacity, or making financing available when it might not be otherwise. Export credit insurance. This insurance protects against commercial and political risks, such as default, insolvency, war, or currency inconvertibility. It provides conditional assurance of payment if the foreign distributor can't pay. To learn more about using consignment or to find another payment method that better fits your needs, download our free trade finance guide at the link below. And if you liked this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos sharing real practical advice for exporters. You'll also find hundreds of articles about every aspect of exporting at shippingsolutions.com/blog. Look for a link below.